Well, hello team, Tim Thomas here. Hey guys, hope you're having a great day on today. Hope all is well with everybody. Hey guys, if it's your first time on the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Hey guys, excited today to bring to you some information about working at home, creating financial freedom in your life, going where you want to go, doing what you want to do, spending time with your family and friends, your loved ones, and having freedom over your schedule, your time, and doing that. So, folks, it's so exciting today to bring this information to you. I want to talk about the Millionaire Mailer, the levels that we got of participation. We are getting ready, folks, as we speak. Today is August, let me see what the date is, August the 6th, and we're headed directly into August 15th, marking the beginning of the direct mail boom. Direct mail literally explodes, folks, around August the 15th, all the way through tax time of next year. And there is no end in sight. Folks, if you can mail a flyer or a postcard, you can win in these programs. These programs are absolutely awesome. They're easy, they're duplicatable, and they are very exciting to be a part of. Folks, you need duplicatability in these programs. You need scalability. So when you find something that already works, folks, you don't have to reinvent the wheel today. All you do is plug and play. You find what successful people are doing, and you jump in there, guys, and you do it with them. And it's just that simple. Super excited, guys, to bring you this information on this evening about the Millionaire Mailer and talk about the possibilities of this program and what it can do for you. So super excited about that. Guys, with the Millionaire Mailer, all you do is you plug and play. You grab hold of the program, you get your website going, and the website is optional. Guys, this is an optional program. You can mail flyers or postcards. It is totally up to you as to what you do with the program, whether you want to mail, again, flyers or whether you want to mail postcards. It is up to you as the individual to go. Guys, we have beautiful websites that we just made up. And guys, let me go and show you proof. We got proof video right here. This video is 12 minutes, 16 seconds long. And guys, it has proof all over it of members receiving payments in large amount. And let me tell you what, folks, people will align themselves with these $500 and $1,000 levels, folks. They're coming in on a daily basis, and we're excited. Guys, this is what's in the mailbox today. Excited about that. And let me open it up before your eyes, so you can see what was see what's in this package. As we do the honors, let me find the side to get into it. Okay, Millionaire Mailer 6, guys. This is our highest level of participation. And folks, let's see what we got here. We've got a member coming in. Let me cover the information. Right here, guys. Personal information. I want to show you what came in the mail on today. And super excited, guys. I want to show you the date on this thing too. And go from there. Alright, guys. This is what came in today. A postal money order. And let's get the amount. $500. Now, guys, notice the date on it. They sent this thing out 7/29. We received it today, and super excited, guys, to have our new member on the program. Let's send a shout out to Tom. Tom, welcome to the team. We're going to get your stuff ready. We're going to get back to you as fast as possible so that you can get started mailing and getting your information out that you need for the program. Absolutely powerful, guys. And guys, this can be your new reality. If you can mail a flyer or a postcard, you can receive payments like this, folks. The website, again, is totally optional, but it comes with a proof video. And this is what it looks like. Earn unlimited, $25, $50, $100, $250, $500, even $1,000 payments daily to your cash mailbox. This video will show you members receiving payments in those amounts. Super exciting. The Millionaire Mailer says, warning, this flyer will make you an obscene amount of money. Hundreds in cash every day. The fast results will literally amaze you. Did you know that each year that millions are made by ordinary people, folks? This is your time to become a part of this brand new state-of-the-art money-making system called the Millionaire Mailer. Folks, nothing like this has been created. It is a very fast-paced program. There are no tricks involved. All the money comes direct to you. You know how much you're making. There are no minimum requirements. You just mail and get paid. Folks, the flyers here have psychological triggers to cause people to send you money. Psychological triggers that will cause people to take action. It has been tested and proven, guys, when you put together a deliverable a message that absolutely resonates with people, they will align with you. Guys, you can manifest anything in your dreams. If you desire something today, if you want something today, if you put forth a little effort, a little action, you can achieve your wildest dreams. And folks, step outside the box. When you believe it's possible, the universe will begin to bend to your will. It will conform to your wishes, and the power will work on your behalf. And super excited about that, guys. Align yourself, guys. When you get the site, you can get the buttons like this. When you click onto these buttons, guys, it'll take you to the Millionaire Mailer actual flyer. You can print the page off and mail in your payment. Now, most people take payments through the mail. Some of them take them through Cash App and other forms of payments. Now, guys, when you click on each flyer, again, it's going to bring up each level flyer. Now, when you join a higher level, you're going to automatically get the lesser levels absolutely free. So that is absolutely exciting. Here's why you should be excited. Okay, folks, when you sign up, your name goes on the #1 position. And when you refer somebody to the program, your name's going to go to #2 on their flyer. Let's say, guys, you go out and get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. Well, you will never, ever drop off your personal flyer or theirs forever, for as long as you guys are in the program. Here's what to do next, guys. Join the Millionaire Mailer is simple. Choose what payment level you want to join. Participate in one-time payment by following the instructions on how to get started section. There are absolutely no monthly fees. There are no admin fees. And join the highest level possible, guys, for maximum earnings. Now, guys, look at this proof. Absolutely powerful. Checks and money orders filling people's mailbox every day. $1,000 checks, $500 money orders, $100 money orders, $1,000 money orders. Folks, there's proof everywhere. Look at this. Absolutely powerful. Look at that. You got 500, 500, 500, 100, 500. Look at this, 1,000. Folks, the proof is in the pudding, 1,000. This program absolutely works. And folks, look at the stamps laid up here. Guys, we've got a way that you can receive 100 stamps at a time with the Millionaire Pro Stamp Club. I'm going to go over that in just a moment. Folks, we are going to have a conference call every Tuesday night. We're going to have that call on tonight as a recorded video. Get on the call at 9 p.m. And guys, we'll be glad to have you. Here is the information. And here is the information for the replay. Super excited about that. We're on Mary Beth's site. Contact Mary Beth, guys, if you have any questions. You can click. She even provides you her Facebook link. Or if you're looking at this video, guys, and somebody else mailed you a flyer, get back to the person who referred you to the program and get started. Guys, get started. Don't live from paycheck to paycheck. But guys, get on the road to financial freedom, to do what you want to do, to go when you want to go, come when you want to come, levels of life. And then it's so exciting. I am excited, guys, to bring this video to you. You can click on here to get a site just like this. We'll get your flyers made up, and then we'll get your postcards made. Now, guys, if you want to see a copy, let me see if I can find you a copy of one of the Millionaire Mailer postcards. Here we go. Here is one of the postcards, guys. This is one of Sean's postcards. The Millionaire Mailer 4. Make $1,000 a day mailing cheap little postcards. And here's his website, guys. When you click on here, take you to the website. And then you can mail this. This has a back side. It's a beautiful back side also for this postcard. Sean, and You can put your website on there. Whatever you choose to do, guys, you can do it. Super excited about that. See if we can get back over to the other page. So, yeah, guys, that's it in the nutshell. Super excited, guys, about this program. Super excited about what is done and what it is continuing. And super excited, guys, about what this program is continuing to do and how we are having tremendous success in the program. And, guys, when you get a chance to watch this video, I'm talking on the video. We have some leaders on the video. Mary Beth's on the video. Guys, giving her testimonial. We have some other leaders. Let's see. Just proof. Ontario Hawkins talking.
There's my name again right there.
Powerful.
So, see that?
You should join.
Brother John Hoskins is talking. Powerful information.
Absolutely join. So,
It never gets old. Let's see here.
Reverend Wilson's talking.
I want to show you what we have here. because
Excited about this program, guys.
is
It is
powerful.
absolutely
And
exciting
this is
about the possibilities.
Millionaire Mailer 6. This is the millionaire. Oh my God!
A $1,000
This
payment
is
right here, folks.
$1,000, folks.
We're going to leave you there. Before I end the video, some of you have been asking about a program that we are still excited about and wanted to bring it up today. It's called the Instant Cash Solution. This is a simple way, folks, that if you want to mail postcards, you can earn anywhere from $500 to $1,500 per week. We have a beautiful postcard made up for this program. And training and support is provided. Watch this video when you get a chance. It will do all the sell and tell explaining for you. Everybody has a video that looks like this. And this video converts. It is a simple system that there's no more need to struggle, no more need to be financial. This is for people that that need more income, that are financially struggling, people that hate their jobs, people that want a better life, students, disabled or retired people. Folks, this thing will work. It will work for lawyers. It will work for a doctor. Whoever you are in life, if you promote this program, it can work for you. We have testimonial after testimonial. Beautiful website. Here's Mary Beth again, along with Dorian, some of the other leaders, Dan, in the program. Just a converting site. Works very well. Here's people in their testimonials. And I'm stoked to be a part of this program. Let's go down, guys. The levels of participation in this program. You can join for as little as $100, and you pay this and the admin fee you're in. Silver, it's going to be $200. You pay $200, admin fee, and you're in. Gold, you pay $300, admin fee, and you're in. Platinum, pay $500, and you're in the program. Super excited about that, guys. These are people, again, in their testimonials, verifiable proof about what the system has done and what it can do for you and your family. These systems, guys, are plug and play. If you can mail a postcard, we have email follow-up, and the system does the selling, telling, explaining for you. You never have to get on the phone to explain the program. As they get email follow-up, the system will teach, train, develop your prospect, and they will align themselves with you. I'm excited about the Instant Cash Solution, and I'm looking for this program will be explosive this fall. All you do is plug and play. Here are some of our products that are involved. The products are amazing. Banner ads, text ads, classic ad site, Craigslist ads, hot training, the value, Facebook strategies, and much more. These are our products that are tied to the system. Now, guys, the Millionaire Mailer, guys, your product is the marketing kit. You're going to get leads and report. That's going to help you with your mindset, thinkability. So those are your products for the Millionaire Mailer. Here we go, guys. The levels to join. Choose the level and get started today, guys. You're going to love these programs. We, again, have postcards for both programs. When people mail the postcard, they're going to enter their email address. The system is going to follow up. It's going to do the sifting, the sorting, the heavy lifting for you. All you do is put a bunch of traffic in front of it and let it go to work for you. Let the system work. It is proven to work. You send enough traffic to it, it will absolutely work for you. That is the Instant Cash Solution. I'm excited, guys, about the Millionaire Mailer, the Instant Cash Solution. Thank you for viewing the video. Hope you have a wonderful day. Look forward to seeing a lot of you on the conference call on every Tuesday night at 9 p.m. Eastern. That is 6 Pacific time. Have a wonderful night and a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.